Hello everyone, this is Ravi Teja. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about the general paper of Internal Research Journal of Engineering and Technology, which is related to a control system. The paper name was Intelligent Vehicle Speed Controller. The authors of the paper was Amulya and Karuna, and the journal paper was published on the 4th April 2018. Now I am going to discuss about the control system concept related to this paper. Control theory deals with the behavior of dynamical systems. A control system manages, commands, directs, or regulates the behavior of other devices or systems using the control loops. At present, accidents occur most commonly due to the rash driving and overspeed on the roads. Nowadays, by year, the accidents are increasing. The main objective is to design a smart display and controller unit for the vehicles which can run on an embedded systems. Working principle was it has been composed of two units. One is transmitter unit and other is the receiver unit. When vehicle enters into the restricted areas, that means it enters into the speed limiting. Whenever it enters, the transmitter module sends an information that contains how much speed the vehicle can go inside the speed limited region. This information is received by the receiver module. The signal acquired from the speed meter is also given to the controller. When coming to the components, we used RF transmitter and receiver with the encoder and decoder, and Arduino microcontroller with LCD display. Smart display and controller unit is designed to fit into a vehicle dashboard, and it is automatically controls vehicle speed in different zonal states like school zone, hills areas, U-turns, highway, etc. This is the block diagram of the intelligent vehicle speed controller. You can see the transmitter and receiver circuit diagram here. The transmitter section, which is placed at the sensitive zones, consists of an RF transmitter and the HT12E encoder IC. Whereas coming to the receiver section, which is placed on the robot, consists of an RF receiver and the HT12D decoder IC along with the LCD display and the Arduino. When coming to the conclusion part, prevention is better than the cure. So, instead of treating the patients after an accident, the accident should be prevented by incorporating the system. This project is very flexible as very less expensive parts are used. Whereas coming to the future scope, we can modify this system with the help of GPS to identify the zones. Thanks to everyone for your patience listening.